मैं एक बार मुंबई से गोवा जा रहा था, मेरा 7:30 बजे का एक सेशन था, वेबिनार सेशन था, एंड 6 बजे मेरे को पहुंचना था. बट समहाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, the flight returned back from Goa. There was some technical issue and we landed back in Mumbai at 7:25 p.m. Again, I had a valid reason to say कि नहीं यार आज का सेशन नहीं हो पाएगा because of this XYZ reason. At 7:25 p.m. the moment we landed, I contacted the air staff. I told them that just take care of my luggage. Of course I knew they are gonna figure out a way to make it reach to me, right? And I rushed off the airplane, I rushed off the security line, broke all the rules over there, and straight away went to the first cafe that I saw inside the airport and took my presentation. Again, you can do something like this in which you can say that, okay, you know what, I have a very simple excuse for not doing something, and you can say that I'm not going to do it. But again, you have to be accountable for the things that you have. If things that you have planned, if things are there on my to-do list for today, they are supposed to happen. We don't sleep with a no.